How to turn off live captions on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. As you can see, live caption is turned on. Now to turn it off, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots, click on Settings by scrolling it down. In here, on the left side, click on Accessibility. Then click on Live Caption. Make sure the circle is on the left side. That means it is turned off. As you can see, after you turn it off, there is no option of the box, which was Live Caption. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off live caption on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.